Hey guys, it's Nate doing the August 1st, 2021 newsletter and chart review. First things first, head over to the website and look over the risk disclaimer. It's also found in the Discord as well, so if you have any questions about that, please let me know. Pretty good week last week overall, I think. We had some good moves out of some good names. It was kind of difficult with the Fed and with earnings and everything, but I think overall we had a pretty good week. So starting out for this week, we've got Airbnb, got an inside day here as well, a bullish inside day, kind of holding this uptrend, this upward trend line here. Get a solid move over 145, get through the middle part of this broadening formation, reopening play 147.70, 150.42, and on up target area there ahead of earnings. Best Buy outside day shooter on Friday. And then if we go on the monthly inside month hammer, so if we get over 115 through that downward trend line, I like to take the month up, and then if we see continuation off the outside day shooter, look for a short under 112 there. Bumble, same thing, double inside month, had a if I remember correctly, bullish inside month, bearish to bearish inside month. So same thing, get over that downward trend line or over 53, take it up. Shooter on Friday under 50, like for a lower low here, test 48.30 and then on down. Coin, same thing, broadening formation here, kind of stuck right here in the middle of it. Inside month is double inside month as well. So take this downward trend line out, get a move up here over 245 roughly, and that should confirm a move higher, and then confirm over that downward trend line up over 250 and keep going up. So earnings here soon, just keep an eye on that. Under 229 here, look to finish closing a small gap here on the daily down to 222.73. Dash couldn't take this broadening formation up anymore, so now it's coming back to the previous range inside week under 173.13. Like to look for a short down to 169.83 or 170, and then down to 163.15. I like how it's coming back through that range. See if they bounce it and take it up off of this 173 level. If not, then look for a short down there. John Deere inside day infrastructure play over 362.11, looking for 365.31, 369.25. Got some resistance here around 365, and then all the support here at 370 now will become resistance at 369 there. So just keep an eye on that. Like I said, it's infrastructure play. So see if they can't take it up towards the top part of that. Dollar Tree, double inside month. So I went from a shooter inside month to a hammer inside month, just kind of sideways here. See if they can't get a move over here over 100 basically, and then on up to 102.13. Test this gap up here around 104. I do like this one as retail continues to be decent. So DM got this large broadening formation here, and then one was inside it, or one within it. So kind of looking at a short here under 9, down to 865, 850. Tag the bottom part of this broadening formation. If we can get a confirmed move over 963, I'd look for a move up to 10. Honeywell retest, so broke out here on that Friday, or not Friday, I don't know, whatever day that was, 22nd. So we're looking for a move, the old all-time high here is 234.02. See if it can break out now. They tried making new highs, they got it, but couldn't hold it. So get a confirmed close here over 234, and I like it 235 on up. So Mud coming out of this falling wedge here. Got this downward trend line, but got an outside day shooter, inverted hammer, whatever you want to call it there. If we can take that downward trend line up, look for move up here to 1145 through this wedge, and then if we're looking for a short under 1061 down to 1042 on and lower. NVIDIA holding this upward trend line pretty well since the split. Need a confirmed move over 199 basically. Want to see it back over 200. And 205.33 would be a target area there. Plug, not sure if they have earnings this week. That's what the question mark here is for. Indicating that on the 5th, I believe that's Thursday. Inside week here, pretty tight action. Again, move over 28, 28.40 on up here to 30. Peloton coming out of this downward channel here. Get a move early over 120.60, then confirm it through the top of this flag, then 124 on up here to the top of this 127.5. If we break it, then look for a move down here to about 110. Qualcomm kind of hovering right here at this old breakout spot on the weekly right here. So see if we can't get a confirmed push here after they pause the day after earnings. See if they can confirm this earnings gap, get up over 150, 151.5. It should give us a good indication on where they want to take it. Shop failed to hold the breakout through the top of this broadening formation here, come back through the previous range. Amazon's earnings didn't help much. Yeah, they didn't help much there. So if we can get, break down 1481.11, get down here at 1450 area, and 1420, and then around 1400. This pivot here is 1393.01. But if we can take it down, bearish or bullish outside week to bearish inside week. So that's kind of my favorite setup. This is going in one direction, the inside candle follows in the opposite direction, then I look for continuation off that inside candle in the same direction as the inside candle. That's my favorite setup. So that's what I'm looking at for this week. On Shop, TLT, you got some good interest rate action going on, so the overall market's the uncertainty there. Get up here over 150. We've got a broad area of openness here. That's not much standing in the way, so we can get a nice push up there as long as it continues to hold this upward trend line. So Twitter inside week off the double inside day failed to break out over 73.22, 73.34 there. So the old pivot bounced off the top of the broadening formation, come back through this range, take the double inside day down, target 67.76, and then on down. TXN, as long as SMH continues to be solid, I think this is a solid play back to 200 eventually. Get up over 191.28, target 193.01, and then 194.25 with some 195 calls. And ZS, at the top of this broadening formation, see if they push it higher or if they come back through this range here off the inside day shooter under 235. Look for a short there. We can target 231.36 and then 228.73. So that's what I'm looking at this week. Some bigger name earnings still, not as much, but still a lot. So keep that in mind, and just be careful. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks.